Hi, welcome to Restorative Yoga. I'm Allison, and I'm so happy to have you here with me. Tonight, we're going to do a loving kindness meditation. So, the majority of our time will be spent running through a guided script that I'll be guiding you through. And you're welcome to do that in just about any restorative position you actually want to. You can do it in a standard easy seat. You can do it lying down like we traditionally do with Shavasana, or you may want to do it with legs up the chair, legs up the wall. We'll get started with a little bit of stretching and opening our heart space, but I just wanted to introduce you to the benefits of loving kindness meditation in case you haven't heard of it. It's a pretty well-known meditation out there that was kind of founded within the study of mindfulness, and it's actually been researched quite extensively and found to really make an impact internally with ways that have been measured. It's been found to help regulating emotions, curbing self-criticism. It's been studied extensively with PTSD and chronic pain and migraines. It helps reducing bias against others. It's a really beautiful script. There's a few scripts out there. We're going to run through one of my favorites tonight, and I hope you love it as much as I do. It's a really beautiful go-to meditation that you could really honestly do daily to see measurable impact if you're experiencing frustration or maybe anger or relationship conflict. It's a really, even in today's political environment, it's a really beautiful meditation to help really ease tension. So let's get started with a little bit of breath work to get ourselves into a rhythm and a little bit of movement just to move ourselves into this heart opening meditation. So making any adjustments that you need, find a comfortable seat. We're going to get started upright in our easy seat pose, and then I'll give you a moment to move into a reclined position if you prefer. So just finding that moment after making any adjustments that your body can become still and you can really draw that focus into the breath. As you inhale, feel that breath travel through the nostrils and down the spine as the crown of the head sort of reaches up. And then as you exhale, just notice the softening of the shoulders. Maybe there's other areas that you release tension. Find a rhythm emerge. Maybe you can extend and deepen your breath to a count of 3. And just continuing to get grounded, drawing awareness into your practice, into your mind, body, and spirit. Beautiful. Let's release our hands off to the side, exhaling everything out so that we can synchronize our breath to movement alignment together. And on your next inhale, arms float out and up overhead. As you exhale, bend the elbows and draw them slightly behind you to really open the chest. Inhale, arms float up. Exhale, draw those elbows down and back a bit, opening the chest. Inhale, up. Exhale, down and back. Let's do 2 more. Inhaling, arms float up, crown of the head reaching in the same direction. Exhale, drawing those elbows down and back, opening the chest. And inhale one last time. And exhale, drawing those elbows down and back. As you inhale this time in this open position here, I want you to exhale and round the spine, drawing the arms in. Inhale out and exhale in, rounding the spine like a mini seated cat-cow. Exhale out and inhale in. One last time, exhale out and release the arms down, hands resting on your lap, moving yourself into whatever position is comfortable for you. Allowing your body to settle in. And just feel what you feel, taking a moment here to practice that awareness. After just a little bit of movement, maybe you can feel that buzzing sensation in your body. Noticing where that arises in your awareness. Continuing to settle in, drawing your focus of your mind to your heart space. And visualizing your heart as it pumps blood throughout your system, your circulatory system with all of its veins and arteries. We typically see the color blue and red when we look at illustrations of the body. And as your breath just settles into a natural rhythm, can you see that circulatory system moving blood throughout your system? That is the biological heart. The yoga heart is the heart chakra, and it's located in the same place. This meditation is about energetics. So imagine a bright green, glowing, spinning wheel right in the center of your chest. And imagine that green glow glowing brighter and brighter as your heart, your biological heart, pumps blood throughout your system. With your breath, you're moving prana, life force energy, throughout your body. And can you just imagine all those veins and arteries glowing brightly with the color green? As you recite the beginning of our meditation to yourself, you'll repeat in your mind, silently or out loud after me, "May I be held in loving kindness. May I be happy and safe. May I always have enough. May my heart know peace." Beautiful. Just feeling what it feels like to offer yourself that intention. And now imagine that bright green glowing light emanating from your heart space. Allow a green light to shoot out from your heart. Maybe it runs out the ceiling and down into the heart space of someone that is supporting you, encouraging you, loving you, someone in your life that you're thinking of right now that you would like to offer loving kindness, and say to them in your mind silently or out loud, "May you be held in loving kindness. May you be happy and safe. May you always have enough. May your heart know peace." And can you see that person being touched by you energetically with the intention of loving kindness? Can you see the warm glow coming from within their heart space? And can you see another stream of green glowing light come from your heart and travel wherever it needs to go to touch the heart of someone with maybe you have adversity or conflict right now? Imagine that radical action of touching the heart of someone that you may not otherwise consider offering loving kindness. And can you say to them energetically, as they receive this green glowing light from you, "May you be held in loving kindness. May you be happy and safe. May you always have enough. May your heart know peace." Beautiful. And now one last offering to the world, just allowing that green glowing light to travel from your heart and just shower down onto the planet, offering loving kindness to the animal kingdom, and all of the plants and nature throughout the world. May you be held in loving kindness. May you be happy and safe. May you always have enough. May your hearts know peace. Beautiful. And just allowing that intention to just linger a bit. Continuing that connection with yourself and with others in unity through loving kindness. And drawing your hands up to your heart space, you are welcome to continue sitting here, breathing and allowing this beautiful glow to linger for as long as you feel you need. Thank you so much for practicing with me.